Alrighty. Me and the fam back from holidays. It's a good holiday. Went to Fraser, Gary. It's beautiful. Got sick, but you know, is what it is. So today on the list is placing the door handle. Got a door handle in the house. It's we're going to replace it for a lock handle. So before I head to Hammer Barn,
we're going to Hammer Barn.
I thought I'd show you how to actually take these off because I didn't know and I had to figure it out. So these actually sit on the door like so. Pry open this cover, whatever it's called, who knows, cover, condom, truck, whatever it is. You have two screws on either side of the handle. You go bap bap with your drill or your screwdriver. It's done. Falls out, no worries. So that took me a hot minute to figure it out to get these things off. I thought they twisted. They do twist, but they don't go anywhere. It actually takes a bit of force. So got my little screwdriver and pop that off. All right. So yeah, we'll jump out of the car, go to Hammer Barn and see what they've got. All right. See ya. Jolene, 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 you're gonna do, please don't take my man. He's either way off, bro. Yep. Way off, okay. Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, Lord. Oh.
Nice.
Jesus Christ. Come on. Door handles. Door handles. Locking door handles? Ooh. Pew! Door handles. We need to find privacy. I think it's called privacy set. What's a privacy set? 66 but.
Their name's Amelia.
So what's the privacy set do?
Hey, the door handle's after you. They named him after you, boo boo.
What's the privacy set, isn't it?
You're not supposed to be.
Oh, it's got a little locky dooey walkie. Not exactly the one I was thinking of. I want like a turn handle one. You know, one that locks, you can just kind of. Alright, this is the one we went with. The privacy lever set. Nero. Alright. See what comes in the box, hey! Yeet. Cool. That didn't work at all. Okay, you got the strut, something. Yep, there's there. You got the Doovie Whacker, official term. You got handles, and you got the privacy. Do you have a cover? Bunch of screws, If the thing... wait. Players remove screws from the opposite size. Okay. Alrighty. So, had a look, and this doobie wacker goes in there. I'm going to make sure the smooth side hit it against the door, or the curved side, apparently. Got some handy dandy screws. We'll mount these in the existing holes. One. Two. Hello, assistant. I got the supervisor in, just checking my work, obviously. Yeah, good job. Good enough. Not good enough. Do a good job. Good job. Yeah. Strike plugs in. Yeah, good job, Dad, she says. Next we're going to undo the screws, all of them. Doobie doobie doo. Doobie doobie doo. Screws undone. Take the plastic off everything. Alright. Grab your handle. Sure it's securely in the hole. Alright. Make sure she does the looky tooky thing. Ooh, greasy. Bush. That's not helping. Yeah, how did ya? Yeah. Can I? Nope, don't push against it.
Oh yeah.
She's alright.
What? Million.
Do the screws. Yeah. I did it, I. Got a drill. What am I using a screwdriver when I'm gonna drill? Duh. It's in. Got the bottom one in. go. Tighten this up. Like so. Doesn't quite latch.
Mission failed. We'll get them next
Why
time.
you no latch? Let's have a look. So after looking, we've just got to bring it forward a slight little bit there, just so the latch actually falls in. So what I'm going to do is get my trusty drill bits. 1, 2.5 looks good. How about 3? No, 2.5. I've marked the top one. Just gonna tighten it a little bit. To just allow us to screw in that a little bit. Once the top one's in, we'll drill the bottom out as well. We should be able to.
Yeah.
Pull you forward a little bit. Just that. Trying to get it as straight as possible. There you go. Better give it another test.
It's about time.
Not bad. It's good. Don't it, Bush? Throw this on. It's gonna go on that side. Yep, she holds the door open because she can. Grab the other side. This in to help it line up. Screw this in. Bubbles, what are you doing? Hey, it's not that bad. Yeah, locked. Watch out, Bubbles. Bubbles. Cool. Looks like we're done. Watch out, supervisor. Shut the door. Winning. Turn that up a bit. Cool. See? Got a door. That now stops you from ever coming in again. And locked. Job done.